Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. As you can see, I got my makeup done. I'm looking flawless because guess what? I'm just gonna jump into this tutorial that I'm gonna be doing today. Yes, I'm gonna be installing a wig for you guys, and I'm very excited about this one because I don't know, I really like this hair. So the hair I'm gonna be installing today is from this company called Bia Hairs. I've never heard of this company before, to be honest, but let me tell you guys, the wig is so nice. But don't take my word for it because y'all gonna see for yourself. So in the box they sent me this thing. I don't know what it's called, to be honest. I've never used it before, but I've seen other people use it. It's used to hold your wig onto your head. I'm gonna be using it today, but it's not gonna work the way it's supposed to, but it's gonna definitely work for me. So this is what it looks like. It's made from rubber, it's stretchy, and it has these little dots all over it, and I guess this is what's gonna secure your wig onto your head without using any glue or gel to hold it on. I also got a stocking cap with my wig, but I'm not gonna be using this one today because it's very dark and I usually like the lighter ones. This is a wig, you guys. I want to say it's pre-bleach. I'm not sure, but I didn't have to bleach it in order to use it, but I definitely know that it's pre-plucked. It's a 360-degree wig, natural black. I'm not sure of the density or the length, but it does come with this really nice curl pattern. I did not have to do anything much with it after installing it, and that's absolutely amazing if you ask me. So I already have a stocking cap on, but because of this little thing that they sent me, I did not have to do a ball cap. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, that's totally amazing. So it was at this moment where I was fighting with it, trying to get it on my head because like I said, it's my first time wearing something like this. But anyway, I managed to get it on. It's not tight, it fits perfectly, so I was definitely not expecting to get any form of headaches from it. So I'm gonna put my wig on and then explain to you guys why I couldn't just wear it like this and I had to go ahead and use my got2b glue spray to hold it down. So as you can see, the wig is not tight, but this is not a bad thing for me. It's actually a good thing because I hate it when my wigs are tight and it's hard to adjust them the way I like them. So being that it's this way, I could fix it however I want it and it will be perfect. So yeah, it needs to be tight in order for this rubber band thing to work the way it's supposed to. I'm using my got2b glued free spray today to hold my wig on, mainly because it dries fast and I'm not planning on keeping the wig on for a long time. I adjust it before drying it to make sure it's where I want it because after drying it, this baby ain't going nowhere. Now as you can see, I'm trimming the excess lace off the side of it so it will fit properly around my ears, and this is something I do in most of my lace wig videos. Now that it's sitting exactly the way I want it, I'm gonna spray my got2b glued free spray on and secure it in place. And because this spray dries so fast, it's like my favorite thing to use, especially because I know I'm not gonna keep the wig on for too long. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this side. I'm taking my little sideburn out and I'm gonna use the spray to hold it in place how I want it. So I'm not sure if this lace is HD or transition, but do you guys see how well the lace blends with my skin? I mean, if it's not transition or HD, this is the closest you'll get to it for your money, honey. I can definitely see myself buying this in different curl patterns and different lengths. And yes, the lace is nice and all, but the hair itself is even better. It is so soft, has no shredding at all, and the curl pattern is just amazing. I can definitely see myself getting this one in a longer length. So all my girlfriends that have been asking for my opinion on lace wig, this is the one right here. Get it, girl. So leaving the lace on until after I fully secure my wig is something that I like to do. Some people cut it off before. Do what works for you, I say, because when you do what works for you, you get that thing down pat. Now I'm going to use the free spray again and seal the little edges and melt that lace into my skin because I want it to look as natural as possible. I'm using this mousse along with some gel to lay my edges. When I'm laying my edges, I don't cut them. I use a comb to mold them and brush them right back into my wig. This is something I like to do. It honestly works for me. So every time I'm going to put my wig back on, it's like putting on a brand new wig. I'm cutting these sideburns because I don't want them to be that long. Now I'm putting it in a ponytail to get the hair out my face while I finish it up. Now I'm using the mousse around the edges to make it nice and neat and stay in place, and then I'm gonna tie it down and allow it to dry completely. By the way, you guys, I'm not doing the back down only because I'm not planning on keeping it on for a long time like I said before, but maybe the next time I put it on, I'll definitely do that. So now I'm tying it down and leave it to dry for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. And voila, oh my god, can you tell, guys, can you tell from the look on my face how much I'm loving this hair? It is lightweighted, it is so soft and flowy. I just love it so much. This wig is definitely a vibe. It is screaming grown and sexy and baddie on a budget. It's definitely worth all the time spent on it. And the fact that I didn't have to curl it to get this really beautiful curl that it has is something that I'm really loving about it. Guys, look at that bounce, how beautiful. And because the length is short, it looks more natural, like it's my own hair. Please check the description box for my code to get discount off if you're trying to get one for yourself. I want to say a big thank you to Be a Wig for sponsoring this video and sending me this gorgeous hair that I'm never getting rid of. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about this hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.